What I want to show you is how to make a document out of scanned images, or more specifically, how to put scanned images as pages into a document. So you might want to do that if you're having rough work in your appendix. For whatever reason that you need to, you have to have your document, and actually you need to embed whole pages of images in there. So let's just take a look. I'm going to start with actually a document, an older document. This is a student's report, a pneumatics report, and there were a lot of hand drawings in here. So he decided to actually do his hand drawings right here. But he could have actually done them on a different piece of paper, scanned them, and put them in. So let's actually take this and start with this really nice cover page. And we're actually going to I'm just going to select everything. Oh, there's my stupid printer making silly noises. Okay, good. So I'm going to just select everything and I've deleted it. Now I have a blank document with a nice cover page. And I need to put a page in here that's a whole scanned document. What I did was I took some pictures and I scanned. So let's actually go and take a look at what I scanned. So I scanned to a PDF and I also scanned to a JPEG. So let's actually open up. No, that's actually that's not where I was going. Here we go. So I scanned to a PDF. So this is my PDF, and then I'll just zoom out a little bit. So I just got some rough calculations. This was just my brain thinking. You can see all the little hash marks are like, oh, just sit there and like, oh, I don't know what to do. So yeah, just thinking about different formulas. So I'm going to put that in there. It was my rough work. I want it to be in my document, maybe in the appendix. But right now I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to select all, and I'm just going to say copy. So copy image, or can I do copy with the formatting? I'm not sure what that is. So it doesn't matter. So now I have it, and I'm going to go back in my document, and it's actually an image. So I've copied it, and for some reason that thing's being stupid. I think we're going to have to deal with that. Okay, so there, that's my image. So what I want to do is, maybe that's my one page. Let's put in another page. I actually took some pictures with my iPhone, and they're over here now. So I just plugged my iPhone into my computer, and I used Windows to look at it. So this is another page that I want to put in, but as you can see, it's a little bit like I could just copy the whole thing, but I've got some space here and some space here. I'm just going to clean it up just a little bit. Although it's rough work, it doesn't really matter, but you might as well do this because then it'll be zoomed in a little bit more. I'm just going to hit crop. So now that's a little smaller. So I'm going to copy all, select all, copy, and then I'm going to go back to my document. And I'm going to place it in here. There we go. Okay, good. So it's in there. That's another page. And if I wanted to, I could go back. Again, here is another page that I did. I keep opening that up. I'm just going to close it. Here's another page that I did. This is for my scanner. So I've got this image here that I'm going to zoom out on and select the whole thing. Again, that was from my scanner, not from my picture. And it's a little cleaner from the scanner, as you can see. So let's put that in. Next page. The difference between scanning a document and taking a picture of it, this is actually a picture, so you can see the color of the paper. The scanner actually takes all the paper away. It doesn't actually scan any of the color. It's not really an image. It just scans more of the lines that are there. So now I've got another picture that I want to put in here that's a little bit interesting. I took this picture of an image, but I took it sideways. So now it's actually sideways. So I mean, if I did select it all and copy and paste it into my document, then it's going to look weird. So how do I rotate that? Well, I can actually do that and rotate it in Word. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another way to do that. I have this document on my desktop. I've actually copied and put it on my desktop. And I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to say rotate right. So now when I open it, looks like that. So I'm going to, I should have rotated it left. So rotate it left, and then I'm going to rotate it left again. So I'm going to open it up. And again, I'm just going to zoom out. I'm going to crop it a little bit so that it just looks a little tighter. There we go. And I'm going to just say crop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was silly. So I hit the escape key to get out of that. So crop. And I'm actually going to crop it again. I'm just going to move it up a little bit. And then a couple different ways that you can crop it. Okay, so select it all. Not that you have to put that much love into it because it's just rough work. And I'm going to go back to my document, and I'm going to delete that guy, and I'm going to put that in here. Now it's done. So this is my whole document. Well, I mean, there could be a lot more stuff in there other than this, obviously, because this is really a rough work. But if you need to make some kind of assignment or some kind of report with just handwritten work or pictures in it, that's how you do it. So let's save this as, and wherever it's going to be, the cover page assignment, whatever, I'm going to save it as a PDF. I can do that. The other thing I can do is I can just do this. File, save as PDF. Just click on it. And then there's already a file that exists as a PDF, so no, I'm not going to do that. And that's how you do that. And then you have your file, your PDF, and that's what's going on. Hope that works for you.